Akkam jirtu maatiiwwan Qubii Akaadaamii gara YouTube channel keenyaatti nagaan dhuftan isiniin jenna. Akkuma yeroo darbe waliin eegallee giraamarii waliin ilaalaa jirra. Giraamarii keessaa teensi irratti focus goone yookiin xiyyeeffannee ilaalaa jirra jechuudha. Teensi keessaa paartii tokkoffaa waliin ilaalleerra yookiin the first tense, I mean present tense. And we divide present tense into 4 and clearly we discussed on each of them. Today we proceed to the second type of tense, that is past tense. So if you follow us from the beginning to the end, you will get more information regarding past tense. So follow us seriously. I hope you know what past tense is and when we use it and how we use it. Then the first use of past tense is used to show completed action. The previous time we said present tense shows an action that is going on at the time of speaking, like present continuous tense. But this one is, it refers an action which already completed. Then we divide past tense into 4. The first one is past simple, the second past continuous, past perfect, and the last past perfect continuous tense. So we are going to focus on 2 of these tenses, that is past simple and past continuous tense in this part. So let's begin with past simple tense. The divisions we can see like this one. When we divide past tense with its forms and the subdivisions, look, amma past tense bakka afuritti qoonnee ilaaluu dandeenya jenneerra. Inni tokkoffaan past simple kan jennudha. Past simple akkamitti uumama? Subject plus verb to for all subject. Whether it is singular subject or plural subject, we do not focus on the subject. Just we change the verb given in that sentence into verb to, whether the subject is singular or plural. Not like that of present simple. In present simple, we add es or s, or we use without es or s. But here, without focusing on the subject, we change the verb given into verb to. Akka present simply miti jechuudha inni kun. Waa'ee tense asoo barbaannennaan subjectiin keenya singular isa ta'u, plural isa ta'u, tense achi keessaa sana verb to jijjiirraa jechuudha. So look at the examples, the form of the examples of past simple. They went to school yesterday. Yesterday is the indicator of past tense. So this verb come from go. The verb to forgo is went. So we change go into went. We don't focus on this one. Whether the subject is singular or not, we don't focus. Just we change the verb given into verb to. The second, I played football. Here we add ed. But in the first example in this, we change the forms. We call such types of verbs irregular verbs. And this one, when we add ed, we call regular verbs. The second type of past tense is past continuous. Past continuous tense. The form of past continuous tense, subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Amma akkasa kanaa miti jechuudha. Akka simple past miti. Asirratti subjectii focusii goona jechuudha. Yoo subjectiin nu kenname singular ta'e was fayyadam. Yoo subjectiin nu kenname immoo plural ta'e were fayyadamna jechuudha. But with simple past we change the verb one into verb two. But here we use was or were based on the given subject. Here we have to focus on the subject. Look at the example. I was working hard when he came. Past continuous. Why we use here with past tense, I is followed by singular verb, whereas with present perfect, it is followed by have, not has. So I was working hard when he came here. This one is simple past. And this one is past continuous. Second example, they were. Here we use were because the given subject is plural. Kanafi was or were kan jennu kun yoo subject nu kenname singularity was fudhanne verbi achi keessa jirutti inni jedhamalla. Yoo achi keessatti verbi nu subject nu kenname immoo plurality verbi achi keessa inni dabaluun dura were fudhanna jechuudha. Ammas keessatti were heddii fudhanne booda edesi booda verbi kanatti inni dabala jechuudha. The given verb here is play. So they were playing when it rained. The third type of past tense is past perfect. The formula subject plus had plus verb is here. I had eaten my lunch when the bell rang. When the bell rang. This one is simple past. This one is past perfect tense. We will see later on how to use past perfect also. Today our focus is past simple and the past continuous tense. The fourth type of past tense is past perfect continuous tense. The form is first we use subject, after that had, then we add been for all subjects, then verb ing. We don't focus on the subject here also. We don't focus on the subject. Whether the subject is singular or plural, we use had for all subjects, and then we add been, and then verb with ing. Look at this. It. What types of subject? This one is singular subject. So we add had, next been, then verb with ing. So all these are what we call the subdivisions of past tense with this form. Kusin barbaachisaa jechuudha. Past tense bakka afuritti qoodnee akka kanatti ilaalaa deemna jechuudha. So let us see the first past tense, that is past simple. Past tense bakka afuritti qoodne keessaa tokkoffaa ilaalame past simple ilaalla. The use of past simple is used to narrate. To narrate an action of the past, just to narrate or to tell a story. We use past simple to tell a story or to narrate a story of the previous one. The form, it can be subject plus verb plus ed, or the second form, subject plus verb 2. In this form, this one is what we call regular, and this one is irregular. Regular verb when we say, when we add ed to the word given or the verb given. Gaafa verbi nu kenname tokkotti ed daballu isaan maal jenna? Regular verbi jenna. Gaafa immoo verbi nu kenname sana immoo ed ittiin daballu ta'ee foormii isa jijjiira ciruma isaa taanaan isaan immoo maal jenna? Irregular verbi jenna jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf amma she played. Plays a verb, then we add ed because it's regular. They worked hard. Work is given out for us, then we add ed. They worked hard. So here, but if you see the second one for irregular, by is given, then we change into verb 2, that is we bought books, or he bought books, she bought books. So we change by into both. Totally we change the forms. Then here, they went to school yesterday. So here, go, then we change to went. So based on the verb given, we change verbs into verb 2. Let us proceed to use of past simple. Past simple yoom akka fayyadamnu ilaalame. Kan baay'ee isin barbaachisu use isaa kana ilaaluudha jechuudha. Qormaata irrattis kan isin gaafatamu use isaa wal qabateeti. Use isaa nama gaafatamu hin ta'in use kana yoo beekne faayidaa isaa kana yoom akka fayyadamnu yoo beekne gaaffii sana deebisuun nu rakkisu jechuudha. Kanaaf amma jalqaba nuti actionii sana adda baafannaa jechuudha. If the action is completed action, we use past simple. The action is completed action. Example, I went to school yesterday is completed action. So the first use of past simple is used to show completed action. The second use used to show series of completed action, not a single, a series. More than one event, it means series of completed action in the past. So if you want to talk about series of completed action in the past, you have to use past simple for each event or for each action. Action series it anfa yokin olitti aananii dhufan tokko gocha xumurame tokko agarsiisu taanaan eventii yookiin actionii achi keessatti ta'an hundumaaf iyyuu past simple fayyadamnaa jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf I went to my English lesson. One event or one action. I went. The second, I had a dinner. The third, I walked. So all of them are simple past. Went with irregular verb, had with irregular verb also, then walked with regular verb. So series of events, series of actions. Taateewwan tokko ol walitti aananii ta'an guyyoota darban keessatti gocha xumurame kan agarsiisan taanaan teensiin achi keessatti nuti fayyadamnu qabnu simple past ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Akka kanatti I went to my English lesson. I had a dinner. I walked. So we use past simple with series of events. The third use of past simple to refer one action started after another. One action started after another or happened after another. Kun immoo amma kan agarsiisu past simple past continuous yoom akka fayyadamuu qabnu jechuudha wal duukaa. Fakkeenyaaf gochi tokko ta'aatu jiru utuu gochi tokko ta'aa jiru gochi secondiin immoo dhufee gidduu yoo galee gocha lammaffaatu dhufee interrupt godhe sanaaf past simple fayyadamnaa jechuudha. Gocha yeroo duraan ta'aa jiru sana past continuous fayyadamnee barreessinaa jechuudha. Kanaaf amma refer to an action started after another. One action is happening before it means. One action is happening before it, then the second action happened. For the second action or for the second event, we use past simple. Whereas for action that was going on or in a progress before the second action happened, we use past continuous. Ragurmasani wattani past simply past continuous in gaafa dukkanu kennaman eventiin sun wanta duraan ta'aa jiru taanaan eventii ta'aa jiru yookiin gocha raawwatamaa jiru taanaan past continuous fayyadamu. Gocha mootuu gochi tokko ta'aa jiru gocha secondii dhufee ta'u sanaaf immoo past simple fayyadamnaa jechuudha. Mee fakkeenyaaf mee kan ilaala. When the whistle blew, I was running. Amma kamtu dursa jechuudha. I was running the event or the action that was happening. Is first event. First event and we call it long event. Long event and we can say short event. With past simple we use we consider that it's short event or that is interrupts another action. Whereas past continuous a long event. That means the action was going on before another event or another action happening. So when the whistle blew, I was running. But the first one here, when the whistle blew, I ran. Which event happened first? When the whistle blew, then ran. Second event. This one is second event. Blew, ran. So when two events happened, one after another, and one event is long and the other is short, we use past simple for short event and past continuous for long event. That means an action that was going on before another action happens. The fourth use of past simple is used in the if clause for conditional type. I hope you know what conditional is. Anyhow, we will come with another video about conditional type in another day. So generally, I hope some intention to this. In conditional type, you know about 4 types of conditional are there. I don't discuss about them today. Here, the first is conditional type 1 and the second is conditional type 2. In conditional type 2, if clause is past simple. If clause is past simple. And the main clause is present conditional. So you have to know this one. If clause past simple. So if the tense is past simple in if clause, that conditional shows as it is conditional type 2. Tense nu kenname ilaale adda baasuu dandeenya jechuudha. If clause keessa tense jiru tokko simple past dhaan barreeffamee jira taanaan conditionaliin sun conditional type 2 dha jennee murteessinaa jechuudha. Kanaaf past simple kun conditional type 2 keessatti nu fayyadaa jechuudha. Gaafa conditional type 2 fayyadamnu yookiin gaafa conditional type 2 haasofnu if clause keessa tense jiru yeroo hundumaa past simple taasifnaa jechuudha. Main clause immoo present conditional. That means subject plus would, could, might plus verb 1. Main clause is kana ta'a jechuudha. Look at the example. If I knew, this one is past simple. Past simple. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. This one is would plus verb 1 is present conditional. The second one also, he would. Here we begin with main clause. But in the first, we begin with if clause. The difference is only using comma. When we begin with if clause in a conditional sentence, whether it is type 1, 2, or 3, when we begin with if clause, we have to use comma. And when we begin with main clause, no need of comma. This is the only difference. So you can begin with if clause or you can begin with main clause. Now with these examples, we on the second we begin with main clause. Amma setti main clause ni galle jechuudha. Asitti immoo if clause ni galle. Kanaaf conditional type 2 keessatti tense nuti fayyadamnu past simply ta'uusaa hubadhaa jechuudha. The fifth type of or the fifth use of past simple is used with habits in the past or duration in the past. To show habits here. Habit in the past. So habits means what we are familiar with and the action that we do daily, habits. So with past simple, we use past simple in order to talk about past habits. Look at this one. I learned English for 2 years. That means I'm not learning English at that time or at this time. I learned English for 2 years. Is habit. I visit my friend in England every year when I was. Look, when I was. I visited. Habits. I visited my friend in England every year when I was younger. Then used to. I used to go swimming 3 times. It indicates habits when I was a child. Kanaafi faayidaan past simply inni tokko immoo habit yookiin gochawwan yeroo darbeen event yookiin gocha nuti duratti irra deddeebiidhaan hojjennu habitii nuti ta'e yookiin habitual action ta'e wanti nuti irra deddeebiin hojjennu tokko jechuudha ittiin agarsiisuudhaaf fayyadamnaa jechuudha. Then I hope you know how to use the two. Use the two nama as keessatti bifa lamaan fayyadamuu dandeenya. Used to booda ing fayyadamuu dandeenya. Used to booda verb without ing fayyadamuu dandeenya jechuudha. When used to here, used to indicates an action that we did in the past but stopped now. Gocha duraan hojjechaa turre garuu hamma kan dhaabne tokko yookiin hamma gocha sana kan hojjechaa hin jirre ittiin agarsiisuuf used to fayyadamna. So used to indicates completed action. How to use it? When used to is preceded by verb be, like am, is, was, were, we use verb ing. Amma wanti gochuu qabnu yoo used to fuuldura isaa jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf bakka kanatti yoo verb be'n warri kun jiraatan used to booda maaltu dhufuu qaba jechuudha? Verb ing ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Garuu used as, used fi lafeetii yookiin used fuuldura verb be'n kun hin jiran taanaan used to yeroo hundumaa to fudhata malee to plus verb dha malee to plus verb ing miti jechuudha. Look at the example. I'm not, now look this one. Am is given. I'm not, there is used to here. Maaltu jira jechuudha. Verb be'n used to dursee jira jechuudha. Gaafa verb be'n used to dursee dhufu verb kan jennu immoo warra akka am, is, was, were kun used to dursee dhufeennaan verb nuti fayyadamnu infinitivenis jira ittaanee gerund ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Have you got? Malee nuti I'm not used to drive jechuun dandeenya. We can't say I'm not used to drive. We have to say I'm not used to driving because here verb be is given. The second example, he is used to working from dawn to dusk. Here is verb be. This one is used to, and when there is a verb be before used to, we use infinitive to plus verb 1 with ing. Another example, I'm used to working the whole day. I'm used to working the whole day. Kanaaf amma tuudhaa fi ing akkamitti ol luukaa deema jechuu dandeessu jechuudha. Kanaaf kan daangessumaa inni used to jiraatee jennaan verb be'n immoo isa dursee dhufeennaan verbin itti aanee dhufu sun tuus fudhatee verb ing ta'a jechuudha. Lucas, not only used to, such types of words are also followed with to plus verb ing. Used to dabalatee, in addition to used to, such types of verbs are also followed by to plus verb ing. Amma isin jechoota warra kana agartanii jennaan to sin fudhatu verbi isaan booda jiru ing sin fudhataa jechuudha. As a rule in a verb pattern is what you have to know. I hope you know what verb pattern is. Verb pattern, when we say structure of verbs after in each sentence, like it can be infinitive, it can be gerund, bare infinitive, or gerund plus infinitive. Lamaan kana ta'uu danda'a jechuudha. Amma as keessatti garuu jechoonni orri kun like used to, look forward to, accustomed to, object to jechoota kana warra agartanii jennaan to fudhatanii dasii booda immoo verbin isaan booda jiru verb 1 plus ing ta'a jechuudha. So garuu kun verb ing dhaan follow ta'uudhaaf yookiin isa taanee to booda verb ing ta'uudhaaf maaltu jiraachuu qaba? Jalqaba verb be'n jiraachuu qabu jechuudha. Kan akka is, am, are fa jiraachuu qabu jechuudha. Look at the example. I was is one type of verb be. I was looking forward to. Maaltu jedhama? To jira. Then visits. Then ing visiting. So I was looking forward to visiting his family. I was, or he was, she was looking forward to visit her family, or he was looking forward to visit his family. The second example, she is accustomed to standing. Look, verb ing, because of this word, accustomed. She is accustomed to standing in a class for a long time. The other example, he is used to working from dawn to dusk. Before used to, there is verb be. So when there is a verb be, we use 2 plus verb 1 plus ing. Okay, the second type of past tense is past continuous. Why past simply amma kana dijennema me ammo gara past continuous tu dabarra. Past continuous ni mo mala agarsiisa. What's the other name for past continuous? We say past progressive. Past progressive is another name for past continuous. Then past continuous describe an action that was, look, that was going in the past and it continued up until another time happened. An action that was going on until another action happened. The second action may be happened, or the second event may be happened. So for the first event happened, or the action that was ongoing, we use it past continuous tense. Here, emphasis on interrupted action. Interrupted and interrupter. Past simple can be considered as interrupter. Past simple, interrupter. But this one is interrupted. Interrupted action. Look at one. I broke my leg when I was walking, when I was skiing. Past continuous tense. I broke my leg. This was the second event. I was skiing is the first event. I broke my leg when I was skiing. And also used with long event. Long event. That was going at the time before another event happened. Akka jechuun amma event lamatu jira. Gaafa past continuous past simple duukaa fayyadamna jechuudha. To action or to event, action, to actions. Then the first action, we call it long action, and the second we call short action. Short action. Then with long action we use past continuous tense, and with short action we use past simple tense. Kanaaf amma nuti gaafa past simple fi past continuous lukaa fayyadamuu barbaannu eventii sana ilaallaa jechuudha. Eventiin sun gaafa wal bira qabne madaalu yookiin gochi sun gocha yeroo dheeraa ta'aa turee fi gocha yeroo muraasa gidduutti short time'itti ta'e jennee adda baafna jechuudha. Gocha yeroo dheeraadhaaf ta'aa ture tokkoof past continuous fayyadamna. Gocha immoo gidduutti ta'e yookiin for a short period of time kan ta'e immoo past simple fayyadamna jechuudha. So first of all, in order to identify such types of tense one from another, you have to identify what type of event is happening or what type of action was happening. Is it long event? Short event? You have to identify. After you identify for long event or the action that was going on before another event happened, use past continuous. And for short event or for short action, use past simple. Then generally the form of past continuous is this one. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing. That means was for singular, subject, and were for plural subject. Let us see uses of past continuous. past simple baay'ee salaalleera faayidaa isaa yoom akka fayyadamuu qabnu amma immoo mee faayidaa past continuous ilaalle kana booda wal bira qabdanii waliin madaaltanii salphaatti adda baasuu dandeessu jechuudha gaaffii isinii kenname tokkoof. Kanaaf amma akkuma past simple kunis faayidaa mataa isaatii qaba yookiin yooma akka fayyadamnu yookiin eventii maaliif akka fayyadamnu kan nutti agarsiisu qaba jechuudha. Then past continuous used to talk about the events or an action that continued or in a progress or sometimes the past. Action in a progress. Look at the example. She was doing her homework from 6 to 8 last night. She was doing, this one is action in progressive here. That means action that was going on. Second example, he was teaching English for 10 years. He was teaching English for 10 years. That means he's not teaching English right now. Yeah? But in the previous time, he was teaching. In the previous time, when we discussed on past perfect, present perfect, when present perfect is used with for and since, it indicates an action that started in the past and is still going on. Whereas, when we use past continuous with for and since, especially with for, the action is not going on at that time or at the moment, it's not happening here. Gaafa past continuous fayyadamnu gochi sun ammatti ta'an jiru jechuudha. Gochi yeroo darbee agarsiisa malee. The third example, they were driving on D when they saw a truck in a flame. So they were driving in a D road when they saw. Second event is one. This one is long event. We're driving long event. So this one is short event or short action. Short action. So interrupter. The second use of past continuous, to talk an action to actions happening at the same time in the past. Look, to action happening in the past at the same time. Faayidaa isaa lakkoofsa tokko irratti maal jenne event gocha lama ta'eeyyuu long eventiif short eventii qabaachuu qaba. Long eventiidha past continuous, short eventiif simple past fayyadamna. Asirratti garuu actioniin sun lamaan isaaniiyyuu happened at the same time. Two action happening at the same time. So for both of them we use past continuous. Asitti malee gar tokko past simple fayyadamne paartii biraa immoo past continuous fayyadamna miti jechuudha. We have to use past continuous for both events. Look at the example. The students were doing a test while the teacher was reading a magazine. Look, this both of them happened at the same time. Gaafa barsiisaan gaafa barataan dubbisaa jiru qormaata hojjechaa jiru barsiisaan barruulee dubbisaa jira. Kanaaf wal duukaadha jechuudha gochuu kun at the same time ta'an malee yeroo garaagaraatti miti jechuudha. Kanaaf amma kana long event short event jechuu hin dandeenyu. Lamaan isaaniiyyuu action in a progress in the past. She was watching TV while her husband was making breakfast. Look, both events happened at the same time. Watching TV and making breakfast. Both of them happening at the same time. So for action that happening at the same time, we use past continuous for both events or for both actions. The third one, an action in a progress was interrupted by another action is the past. Event lama jiraate interrupter and interrupted yote. In interrupt godhe past simple dha jechuudha. In interrupted ta'e immoo yookiin gochi fakkeenyaaf hojii tokko hojjechaa jirra yoo ta'e hojiin nuti jalqaboo sana hojjechaa jiru sanaaf past continuous fayyadamnee haasofna. Hojii yookiin gocha lammaffaatti dhufee ta'e immoo yookiin interrupt nu godheef immoo past simple fayyadamna jechuudha. Then with such types of use we use subordinating conjunctions. I hope you know what subordinate conjunction is. Like while, where, before, after, until, whenever. Such types are what you call subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunctions are used to show an action in a progress when interrupted by another event or another action. Look as example. We were sleeping when the phone rang. Look, two events are there here. We were sleeping, then the phone rang. The verb 2 of ring, rang, and the verb 3, x1, rang. So we were sleeping when the phone rang. Amma eventi lama jira jechuudha. Long eventi kan ta'a turedha. Inni kun immoo short event interrupt kan godhedha jechuudha. Kanaaf long event short event isa adda baafnee fayyadamuu qabna jechuudha as keessatti. For long event we have to use past continuous, and for short event we use past simple. The fourth use of past continuous to show actions that took place over a period of time. Action took place over a period of time. Look, we were cleaning the house all morning. That means for a period of time. We were cleaning the house all morning. The fifth use of past continuous is we need to set a background story in the past events. Fakkeenyaaf story tokko gaafa barreessinu yookiin story tokko gaafa namatti himnu jalqaba irratti gaafa nuti himnu akka introduction kan nuti fayyadamnu past continuous dha jechuudha. It was getting dark but the missing child still had to be found as introduction. So for the introduction part of the story, when we tell a story, we use past continuous tense. The next use of past continuous is used with habitual action in the past. Habitual action is the past. Here, use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that used to be done frequently. That means continuously in the past, but is not done in the present. Even if it is habitual, the event or the action was not happening or is not happening right now. Look as example. As a baby, my brother was always making a mess. But this means he doesn't make a mess right now. He doesn't make a mess. But in the previous time or in the previous events, in a previous time, he was making a mess. Yeah. So making a mess, habit. Yeah. Habit of the previous year or the previous time. The second, when I was grade 10, look, when I was grade 10, I was making spelling mistakes all the time. This means now I'm not making a mistake in spelling here. Because an event, it shows when you use past continuous in this form, shows past habitual action, not present habitual action. The action was already terminated. Eventiin sun amma ta'aa jirtu hin ta'in yeroo duratti garuu waan ta'aa turedha. Fakkeenyaaf yeroon kutaa 10 sirna qubeessuu keessatti dogoggora baay'een uuman ture. Akka jechuun ammatti sirreeffadheera, ammatti yeroo waa barreessu dogoggora hin uumu jechuudha. Kanaaf eventii gochawwan irra deddeebiidhaan yeroo duratti gochaa turre amma garuu gochaa kan hin jirre mul'isuuf illee past continuous fayyadamnaa jechuudha. This is all about our today's lesson. Amma gaa wantoota kana haasofne hundumaa irratti hubannoo argataniitu jennee yaadna. Hammam akkasin hubattan beekuudhaaf immoo mee gaaffiiwwan qormaata biyyoolessaa irraa fudhataman ilaalla. Kanaaf isin utuu deebii kanarraa hin ilaalin ofii keessanii fi leessaniiwwan barattan qabxiiwwan as keessa jiran kana ilaalaati. Utuu gara deebiin ilaaluun naqin deebii ofii keessanitti baasaa deemaa jechuudha. Of madaalaa. Dursa madaaluu qabdu jechuudha. Gaaffiiwwan kun gaaffiiwwan qormaata biyyoolessaa irraa fudhatamanidha. Kan baroota adda addaa jechuudha. Hundi isaanii kan maalii wal qabatanidha? Past simpliidhaa fi past continuous irratti jechuudha. Leesonii keenya guyyaa irraa irratti. Kanaaf mee gaaffii kana tokkoffaa kana maal jettu? When we were in Gambella, every day after work we belong, here is simple past given, by the river watching fishers caught the big fish called gar and made a lot of money out of it. So what do we say here? It is used to, have used to, are used to, were used to. Amma kanatu waliin madaalsisuu qabnu used to fi are used to kana keessaa waliin madaala jechuudha. Kunis akkasuma amma kanatu optionii keessan galchina kana optionii keessan galchinu yookiin verb be kana biraa qaban kana ilaalla jechuudha. Amma used to fayyadamuudhaaf yoo verb be'n fuuldura isaa jiraate kan akkasii fa'aa gochuun kun akka are fa'aa kun fuuldura isaa jiraannaan verbiin asitti dhufu jechuun kun asitti kanuma verbiin kun ing ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Ing dhaan hin fayyadamne taanaan used to plus verb waan ta'aa malee verb with ing hin ta'u jechuudha. So the appropriate answer for this one is A. Maaliif C yookiin D hin taane sababii isaa gaafa verb be'n fuuldura isaa jiraatan verbiin inni kun jechuudha. Verbiin used to booda dhufu immoo ing fudhachuu qabaa jechuudha. Sababa kanaaf ibne jechuudha. Isa kana gaaffii lakkoofsa lammaffaa kunis bakka bara 2016 kan sooshaaliidhaaf dhufeedha. We belong study in small groups when we were in the secondary school. When we were in a secondary school means now we stopped. The action is already stopped here. So what we use here? If you say D, it's right. We used to study in small groups when we were in secondary school. Question number 3. When Dabala arrived, look, simple past, she belonged Dorowat, but she didn't have a time to wait and enjoy it. Amma kan ilaallu eventii kana eventii lamatu jiru jechuudha. Eventii lama jiraachuudha. Kanaaf amma eventiin tokko longii tokko immoo shortiidha jechuudha. Amma short eventiin nu kennameera. When Dabala arrived, gaafa inni qaqqabe isheen akkas gochaa jirti gaafa jennu gocha isheen yeroo sana hojjechaa jirtuu fi past continuous fayyadamna jechuudha. Long eventidha waan ta'eef. Long eventidhaaf past continuous fayyadamna jechuudha. So the correct answer for this question is C. Question number 4. He belonged something at the roadside and started running fast as he could. It is series of events one after another. Series of events one after another. We use past simple. Amma series of events tanan event yookiin gocha action walitti ta'an tokko tanan past simple fayyadamna jechuudha. When the event is series of events or series of action. So the appropriate answer for this is past simple. So yeah. Question number 5. I finished work. One action. Then to the beach and found another action, a nice place to swim. So what's the answer for this? Here simple past given, series of events. So the second tense must be also past simple. I finished work. Walked to the beach and found a nice place. Hundi isaa fakkaachuu qaba. Asitti verb to finished, verb to simple past jira. Asitti simple past nuu kennameera. Kanaaf inni hafe kunis maal ta'uu qaba? Simple past ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Gaaffii lakkoofsa 6ffaa. If I blank here, I would learn more from here. Amma ifidhaan gaafa jalqabu conditional tense ta'uu isaa nutti agarsiisa jechuudha. As immoo main clause isaa immoo present conditional taanaan that means subject plus would or could or might plus verb one taanaan it indicates conditional type to it indicates conditional type to. Amma kan nuu kenname main clause nuu kennameera jechuudha. Main clause nuu kenname main clause kan irratti hundoofnutu immoo if clause barbaanna jechuudha. Yoo main clause formii kanaan deemate would, could plus might plus verb one taanaan conditional type to dha jechuudha. Conditional type to keessatti immoo if clause maal ta'uu qaba? Past simple ta'uu qaba jechuudha. In conditional type to if clause is past simple. So the appropriate answer for this one is A. Conditional type to sababii ta'eef jechuudha. Conditional type to keessatti if clause in simple past, main clause immoo present conditional dha jechuudha. Next question. The committee blanked the issue thoroughly at the meeting yesterday. Total it means. Yesterday is indicator of completed action. Actions that happened a time before. So we have to choose past simple from the given options. Option nu kennaman kana keessa past simple in maaliif sababii kana jechuudha. Yesterday kun gocha darbe waan ta'eef amma simple present fayyadamuu hin dandeenye. Kun simple present passive dha fayyadamuu hin dandeenye jechuudha. Was discussed kan jennee immoo passive miti kun active dha. Was discussed. Was what you have to know subject plus was or were plus verb series the passive of past simple passive. Past simple passive. I hope you know what passive and active. So if you want to use this one, the event given or the tense given should be passive, yeah. But here the given is active. So we have to choose D. Yeah. See in kanaaf hin taane jechuudha. Sentence nu kennametu passive miti. Utuu passive ta'e was discussed jechuu dandeenya. Amma garuu kan nu kenname active voice dha waan ta'eef active voice past keessatti jechuudha. Active dha waan ta'eef subject plus verb to duwwaa ta'uu qaba malee was or were fudhachuu hin qabnu jechuudha. Passive dha waan ta'eef. Number 8. I had finished my homework before my friends. Look, I had finished my homework before my friends. This one is first the earlier event. Yeah. Earlier event or the first event happened or the first action. Then we find the second action. When two actions happened, actions, based on time. We call earlier events, the first event, and also the recent event. Then for recent event we use past simple. Past simple is used, and for earlier event, that means for the event that happened first, we use past perfect. Now earlier event is given. Amma gochi jalqaba bakka fudhate yookiin raawwatame nu kennameera jechuudha. Past perfect jedhama. Kanaaf kan nuti barbaannu gocha itti aanee ta'e yookiin lammaffaa irratti ta'e barbaadna. Inni immoo maaliin barreeffamuu qaba? Simple past jedhaan barreeffamaa jechuudha. When two events happened, one after another, we use past perfect for the event that happened first, and the past simple for the event that happened as a second. Earlier means the first event, and recent means second event. So for second event we use past simple, and for the first event we use past perfect. So the appropriate answer for this question is B. Next question. The children blank in the school compound when the enemy airplane dropped the bomb is killing scores of them. Now one action was happening here. Dropped when the enemy airplane dropped. Second event there. That means short event there. Then before this event there was a long event there. Amma long action jira jechuudha. There is a long action. Long actionin utuu short actionin kun hin ta'in long actionin ta'aa jiru jira jechuudha. Gocha utuu gochi tokko lammaffaa irratti dhufee hin ta'in gocha jalqabuma dursee ta'aa jiruuf immoo keessatti maal fayyadamna jenne past continuous fayyadamna jenna. Gocha taatu tokkoof. Kanaaf ammas keessaa past continuous hin kami? If you say C, the answer is correct. Question number 10. Subject is given here, blank space. A book when I heard about the September 11 attacks on America. I blank a book when I heard about the September 11 attacks on America. So that means here is interrupted or interrupter is given here. Interrupter is given or the second action is given. Second action is given here. Now the required one is, or what we want, the first event. Amma action is second action in gaafa short action nu kennamu eventin jalqabataa jiru maal fayyadamna? We have to use past continuous tense. So the appropriate answer for this one is A. Next, she picked up. Now look this one. She picked up the letter. I read it. It was simple past also. And blank it into piece. Now, series of events. Picked up, simple past. Read it, simple past. So we have to find simple past on this blank space here. So the appropriate answer for this one is B. This one is verb 1, present simple. So wrong. When we use present simple with singular subject, this one is also present simple with plural subject. This one is past perfect. Yeah. So we have to use simple past for a series of events. Yeah. Thank you very much for your attention. Jalqabaa hamma dhumaatti nu wajjin waan turtaniif waan nu hordofaa jirtaniif galatoomaa isiniin jenna. Kanaaf egaa nextiin paartii biraa qabannee dhufna. Past perfectidhaa fi past perfect continuous tense immoo paartii 13ffaa keessatti waliin ilaalla jechuudha. Kanaaf paartiiwwan kun illee yeroo dhiyootti isin biraan geenya waan ta'eef isin amma sitti waan isin gochuu qabdan waan yeroo hundumaa irra deebinee isinitti himnu haaraa yoo taatan subscribe godhaa. Yoommoo miseensa qubee akaadaamii taatan immoo hiriyoota keessan afaan kana dhaga'uu danda'an hundumaa bira akka qabu immoo share gochuun dagatanaa jenna. Yaada sirratuuf immoo koomentii yoo keessanis irratti hojjechuu dandeenya isiniin jenna. Kanaaf milkaa'inni keessan milkaa'ina keenya waan ta'eef amma dandeenyetti isin gargaaruuf isin tumsuuf isin duukaa jirra. Isinis nu hordofaa jenna. Har'aaf nagaatti.